Apple's always been famous for its top-notch security and keeping its users' privacy on top, and the company is making sure it remains that way. Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the latest tech news. Apple has started providing small security updates to iOS, iPadOS, and macOS devices. These are dubbed background security improvements that offer minor system updates between the larger software updates. According to the company, these are meant to deliver lightweight security releases for components such as the Safari browser, WebKit framework stack, and other system libraries that benefit from smaller ongoing security patches between software updates. These updates should download in the background, as the name implies, although the device will need to be restarted to complete the process. In practice, we found that applying a background security improvement was faster than a typical software update from Apple. On an iPhone, the restart was more of a power cycle, taking under a minute compared with the 5 to 10 minutes of a standard update that a device takes out of commission. The inaugural background security improvement has been released with a patch of WebKit. These updates will be supported and enabled on devices running iOS 26.1, iPadOS 26.1, and macOS 26.1. Details can be reviewed under the Privacy and Security section of the Settings menu. So whenever an iPhone says it's time for a background security improvement, just take out a moment from your scrolling routine. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.